This is CSF4203 Lab5 frame relay, configuring static frame relay maps. Let's study the network first here. We have 3 routers, okay? You are given the IP addresses, okay? The objective is to configure frame relay and to configure static frame relay maps and LMI type. Okay, LMI is the signaling. Are you sure? Next, so these are the router. Even if we have done it, this is good revision. Okay, and these are the IP. The IP addresses are already configured. Okay, but you need to configure the frame relay. To do that, you will call the interface. You will assign the encapsulation frame relay for each interface. Okay, as we've done here on router 1, router 2, router 3. And then you will do the configure the static maps. And this is the command to configure the static map. And we give, what is 102? 102 is the DLCI number, DLCI. And the DLCI is from router 1 to router 2, 102. From router 2 to router 1, it is 201. Let's do that, okay? Open your computers. Straight away, let's do it. What are the routers involved, the interfaces? On router 1 S00, on router 3 S000, and on router 2 S000. So it's easy. Let me share full screen. I suggest you do it too. While I'm doing it, you just do it. Very simple. Okay. So here, router 1, CLI, enable. Okay. Config T. Interface S0/0/0. Okay. Encapsulation. What is the encapsulation here? Frame relay. Okay. We'll do the same thing. Leave this one open. Go to router 2. CLI. Enable. Config T. Interface S0/0/0. Encapsulation. Frame relay. Okay. Keep it open. Go to router 3. CLI. Enable. Config. Encapsulation. Oops. Oh, sorry, we have to call the interface first. Interface S0/0/0 and encapsulation frame relay. Okay. So we are done with these parts. Now we will go and configure the DLCs or the static maps. Okay, so for router 1, we have frame relay IP 10.1.1.2, which is what address is this? Router 2. So you are doing a static map, a road, yani, to router 2, and the name of the road is 102. And you do another road 201 from the other side. They will name it 201. So the same road. Yalla, do it, please. Can you do it? We'll do it for the 3 interfaces. Now, please. Do it. Don't feel like... you work together, please. Work together, no problem. Sorry? Ah, you are doing it? Okay, sorry, Shiro. So let's do that now, please. Now I go back to router 1. That's why I told you keep it open, okay? This is router 1. This is the document. Why do we have 2 static maps on router 1? Who can tell me? Exactly, we have 2 routers connected to it. Very good. As simple as that. Okay, this is 1. And the second one is 103. Okay. Now we'll go to router 2. Yeah. On router 2 now, again, we'll do sorry. Salam. Router 1. And then what? It will be what here? 201 broadcast, right? Good. And what else? What else? 3. Because now I am on 3, and what is it? 301, correct? Sorry, 203, correct? Broadcast. Okay, now continue for router 3. Can you do it, please? This is router 2. This is router 2. Now we will do router 3 on the same interface. We go to router 3. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Paste. This is linking to router 1. Then we'll do another one linking to router 2. Okay. Now there is an important step, because sometime in the exam they will bring you configuration and will ask you why it's not working. It's not working because maybe the LMI is not configured or ANSI is not configured. To configure the LMI, which is the signaling of frame relay, you will put the command frame relay LMI type ANSI on each interface, on each router. Okay. So let's do this, please. Good. This is router 1. Now router 2. And router 3. Very important command, okay? Done. Now you can test connectivity. You should be able to ping your each computer and the web server. And this is it for this lab. It's very, very simple, I know. But don't underestimate it, because in the exam, in the practical, it will be with other labs. So, okay. Did you all finish? Shall I wait, or we start the second part of frame relay? Okay. Let me save this file. How do I save my configuration, by the way? What is the command? First, you exit. Exit. Don't forget this command, please. Copy running configuration into start up configuration. Okay. And you need to, yes, enter. You need to do this command on each router. Don't forget that, please. Before you submit your file in the exam, you need to run this command. It's your responsibility. This is a shortcut. I said do, and instead of exit, 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 I will just say do, you know, like sudo, you know, and done. We are done with the first part. Now let's do the second one. IP lookup, no IP lookup domain. No domain lookup, no IP domain lookup, or no IP lookup domain. عشان ما يدور على DNS. You can just type it. Okay. Done. Let's do the next one.